Crypto trading tips for beginners. Welcome to DigiMintOfficial. If you're new to crypto trading, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing some essential tips to help you get started. Let's dive in. First, start with a small investment. The crypto market is highly volatile, so it's wise to invest only what you can afford to lose. This approach helps you learn without significant risk. Think of it as paying for your education in the world of crypto. Next, educate yourself. Understand the basics of blockchain technology, how cryptocurrencies work, and the factors that affect their prices. Knowledge is your most valuable tool in trading. Read articles, watch tutorials, and keep up with industry news. To stay informed, use reputable exchanges for buying and selling. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. These platforms offer security features and user-friendly interfaces. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Spread your investments across different coins to minimize risk and increase potential returns. This strategy helps cushion against market volatility. Set realistic goals. Avoid the temptation to chase quick profits. Focus on long-term growth and develop a strategy that suits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, consistency and patience are key in the volatile world of crypto trading. Keep your emotions in check. The crypto market can be stressful. Make decisions based on logic and research rather than fear or greed. Emotional trading often leads to mistakes and losses. Monitor the market regularly. Stay updated with price movements and news that could impact the market. Tools like trading apps and alerts can help you keep track without being overwhelmed. That's it for our beginner's guide to crypto trading. Stay tuned to DigiMintOfficial for more tips and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed. Happy trading!